Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. LISEN 3-in-1 for iPad holder for car accessories for women interior road trip essentials tablet holder backseat car organizer car TV for backseat headrest iPad car mount kids fire tablet April 7th, 11-inch. Saving a parent who drives alone with baby kids. 2025 new upgrades car must have stroller and car seat combo set. For axis 360 degrees with fixed knob folding shrinking design, keeps toddlers entertained during long car trip outing as a backseat organizer car TV. The tablet holder can securely hold an iPad or tablet, allowing kids to watch early learning videos, soothing music, or calming audio content. Sturdy and safe, reducing distractions for the driver. Accesorios para carro iPad car mount hold tablet securely during bumps. Fixed nut hooks depth on both ends of the tablet car mount is deeper, increasing the 3x stability during driving. Works seamlessly with convertible car seats, rear-facing and forward-facing, making it a car accessory for kids aged 0 to 10 years. Car TV for back seat ensures the tablet or screen is always at the optimal viewing angle for your toddler or baby. Thanks for watching and subscribe.